SAP is the operational backbone of your enterprise. When it drifts out of tune, everything feels heavier. SAP FineTune from Dragon ERP stabilizes complex SAP landscapes, restoring control, protecting enterprise value, and enabling intelligent growth. When processes fragment and data weakens, instability compounds quietly until the board notices. AI and automation amplify whatever SAP delivers. Without stability, ambition introduces risk. SAP FineTune is a fixed-price stabilization engagement. We restore process integrity, data trust, and operational rhythm. From finance to manufacturing, data to infrastructure, we repair the foundations of enterprise SAP. Diagnose, stabilize, deliver. Disciplined intervention, no transformation theater. Reduced volatility, faster finance close, stronger audit confidence, stability that compounds enterprise value. Dragon ERP stabilizes complex SAP estates. Control before intelligence. Speak to a dragon.